Welcome to Maria Science class. Today we're going to be learning how to boil, and actually we're going to be learning how to do a science. What happened to the egg when it gets two different colors? We're going to try to see what happened to it. Right now it's white. So what you're going to do is you're going to boil some eggs, because very soon it's going to be Easter time. So during Easter time, you know, this is the reason Jesus is risen and the new life and everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna need an egg, and we're gonna need they say if we put vinegar, it will work better. And then we're gonna use any type of food coloring, whatever color you guys want to use. And I'm gonna be using blue and red to see what happened to it. So I am anxious to see what is gonna happen to this science with the eggs, and see if it, after being seen white, they're gonna turn different color. So let's see what happened to it. All right, let's find out. Okay, welcome, and let's find out what is gonna happen to the egg. Okay, so I already have my cup over here, and I'm going to I put vinegar over here, so I'm gonna add some food coloring in here. Then I'm going to put my egg inside, and I'm gonna find out what happened to it after I do it. So look, I will put some drops. They say to put 20 drops of food coloring. I don't know how much it will take, so I'm gonna use, and then the white egg. So let's see what happened to it. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous to see what is gonna happen. So there, I'm gonna put it inside there. I'm just gonna leave it here for a little bit to see what happened to it. Then in another cup, I'm gonna have blue color. So they say to leave it in there to see what happened to it and how long it's gonna take to get. Look at that. Oh no, it looks like it's taking it, it's vanishing. Look at this. Oh wow, it looks so cool. Look at that. You see, it's coming up. Look at, it's covering the whole white. Now it's not gonna be white no more. So I think it's gonna look red now. So see, it's covering it. So I'm gonna twist a little bit to see what happened. Look, I'm just gonna put a little bit in here to twist it. So look, oh my, it's working. Look at this, it is working. So you guys gonna have your, there. Oh wow, this is so cool. Look at this, there. So see, everything have to be so covered. So nothing can be white in there. So cause it's, remember, everything is for Easter, so we will have our, if you guys can find a different cup, as you can see, this cup is very narrow. So maybe you want to use different type of cup, so that way it's easier for you to manage your egg. So, but there. Okay, so let me put it up a little bit and see what is going to happen to this egg. There. Okay, so let's leave it for a couple more minutes. And I'm going to put the red one down, and I'm going to put a blue one in here to see what happened to the egg. So I'm going to put a little more of food coloring in here to see what happened to it. And let's find out. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here, food coloring. The egg is inside here. And let me find out what happened to it. I want to know what happened to it. So let's see. Ta-da! I have my blue egg. It's not white anymore. Cool. So what you guys can do is just put it in a plate, which is, I have it right here. See, look at this. I'm going to put it right here. So I have a blue one already. That is so cool. And then I'm going to use another one to put my red one, which I want to have ready. So look, right here is my red one. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. So there, what a beautiful colors I have. I have red eye, and I have a blue egg, and I have blue and red. So when it dries, you guys can actually play with it. But look at, instead of being white, they turn into be blue. But you know what has happened? After you put the food coloring, And that thing, I'm going to explain you in a minute what happened to it. So see, you guys can have your eggs for Easter already because you already had it. So it's not bad too, right? So there, just all you need is food coloring, any type of color. I like red and blue, so I use those two colors. And then you're gonna put vinegar because it lasts, it's faster. So I just put vinegar and a little bit of water. So there's my 2 eggs, blue and red, and I have the white one. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Okay, let me tell you what happened with the eggs. Okay, when you add vinegar to water, it creates ideal condition to food coloring to dye the egg. Since eggs are made out of calcium carbonate, this calcium shell reacts with an acid, with the acid of the vinegar. So that's what it make it. You know, make carbon dioxide, make it colorful and make it good and make it very nicely. So this is what happens. So all we have to do is this. You need to boil water. You know, you need to boil the eggs, which is I did. You need to boil the eggs, and then you need to put 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I didn't even measure it. 10 to 20 drops of food coloring, and that's all you have to do. Okay, that's all you have to do. So you're going to mix the tablespoon vinegar, 20 drops of food coloring, use more if you need it more, and that's basically it. So that's how the eggs, so do not keep the eggs warm and the room temperature. Just, you know, put them between 40 to 50 degrees, and then they're going to have your dying eggs. See? So here, look it. This one is ready to touch. And this one is ready to touch. And you actually can make rainbow too. So hopefully you guys like this science project, and then you guys can do it at home because this is something very cool. And as I say, you can do it for Easter time because Easter is coming. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.